Now let's go into earnings. Okay. Now I just wanted to go into this part and show you pretty much how much we earned so far in just 34 days. Okay. Now right here is earned. Transferred just means like how much we could transfer into our credit wallet, and that's just for our international team. Like say they don't have a credit card or a debit card to get started, a Visa or MasterCard. Well, what happens is well, they could pay us the money through like Alert Pay or PayPal, and then we could use the money that we transfer into our credit wallet and pay their way in. Okay. And we usually like to do it for a whole year. Just it saves the expense, saves the trouble for the next month and the next month thereafter. But that's the way we do it. Here's what we earned so far. We just got to check today. It was Wednesday. It pays out every Wednesday for fast starts, and on the first of the month they pay out the residuals plus combined with the fast starts. We just got paid $472 for this run. If you click on it, it'll give you a breakdown. But let's go back. Here we go. If you tally all these up, 472, 324, 2,559, and 245.46, it comes out to just over $3,600. That's $3,600 in just over a month. Let's call it a month. Okay.